How's everyone doing today? Got this short video coming at you. Reason why I'm a little tired is because I just finished pumping up these 13 CI tanks. They are Ninja 3000 PSI tanks with the Ninja 1100 output on both. This is just a test. I've had these for a while. Probably a little over 5 or 6 years. Up until 4 years ago, I started modding them. I swapped them over to MagFed. These are Tippmann 98's internals, all upgraded. Everything is metal internals now. Even the plastic power tubes are aluminum power tubes now. Heavy duty springs. I do have some other heavy duty springs coming that I found on AliExpress. I'm gonna see how that does in the future. I just haven't received them yet. But I'm running a Lapco 14-inch barrel, I think it is. And I think these barrels are 686, if I'm not mistaken, smooth bore. Running the 5-gram green riot balls. So yeah, let's get to the test. There's gonna be some breaks in the video because I'm pausing because I'm doing everything with one hand, as everyone knows. So let's get this test on the road and see what happens. Okay, so for the first test, I'm running my wife's Blizzard, taking the safety off. Everything is on and it's charged. It's loaded now. Let's see what happens. Okay, so 290. Now, in the previous test with CO2, I was getting anywhere from 299 to 305 consistently. Now that one right there says that in first shot is 290, so I'm not really liking that. 288, 290, 293, 291, 292, 288, 288, 290, 291, and that's it. Oh, and this has the lock bolt, so when you run out, it doesn't let you fire anymore. Okay, so with that one, didn't really like the numbers. 290, I was getting better results with CO2. So maybe this test is, I don't know. I mean, I had these stored, so I haven't lubed them yet. But let's test this one out. This one is mine. Safety's off, and we're ready to go. And maybe not. Just give me 1 quick second. Okay, about that. The mag wasn't in very well. I didn't pressurize it. Sorry about that. And here we go. Okay, did not like that. 292, 288. Yeah, so it seems like I'm getting the same numbers with this one. 286, 286, 292. All right. So yeah, it seems like I'm getting the same exact results with this one as I did with that one with the supposed 1100 output. Yeah, I'm not liking that setup. I think I'm just gonna go back to CO2 because I was getting better results with CO2 with the 90-gram JT. So yeah, you can go back to the older video that you can see that I was actually getting better results from these out of CO2s. I don't remember which video it was, but it was probably last year or so that video I did. So go check it out. So yeah, I think I'm gonna probably scrap the HPA with these and stick to CO2. just because I'm getting better results with the CO2. Alright, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace out. So, the reason why I say these are supposed 1100 output regulators is because it should be a lot stronger with these right here, or from these right here. They should be stronger than these, but with these I'm getting a lot better results. As I stated previously, I'm getting about 305, anywhere from 299 to 305 with these right here. So I'm gonna stick with these. These I'll hang on to them for another build that I'm gonna possibly do, maybe some M17s, and see what happens. But for right now, these are running way better with the JT CO2 than with the 1100 output Ninja tanks. So that's what it is. So them, you know, this is like having a burner LE, you know, 20 joules basically. As a less lethal, it could work. I'm not saying it can't work. It could work. It's not nothing is out of the realm of possibility, especially if you're getting peppered with 5-gram riot balls. You know, let's say you have 220 round mags full of these. You know, it'll hurt. I wouldn't doubt that they take someone down. Now, for home defense, if you can't have a firearm, as I stated many times before, if you can't own a firearm or don't want to own a firearm, you can get yourself something less lethal. There are stronger markers than these, so I wouldn't spend my money. If I were you, I wouldn't spend your money on getting one of these. These are the Tippmann 98 customs. I wouldn't spend the money and you know, go with something like the M17 or the pepper ball. I know the pepper ball VKS is very expensive. It's about $1,500 right now, but I'd rather go with something like that, or an FSC carbine, or FSC, you know, hand launcher. And if you want something a little more lethal and you can't have a firearm, right there, get yourself one of these, or the Cobra. Get yourself a Cobra, the adder. I do have some videos coming out that I'm going to be doing on the ones that I purchased, I think it was last year, is the AR7 with the alligator crossbow. And it's a 7-round magazine. I have them downstairs. Look out for those videos. Alright? Enjoy the rest of your day. See you guys on the next one.